So this is the Chrome browser. So just having a look around the screen, here we've got our Gmail. If you click on Images, that's going to open up a new tab and that will take you to the Google Images page. Notice down here you can search with a microphone. You can also search by image and there's your normal search bar. Here is our app Rubik's Cube. All of your apps for Google are on here. We go into this in more detail with the video opening the key apps in Google. In the Omnibar up here, you've got your share button. If you click on share, this will allow you to create a QR code so people can scan that QR code and get to the page that you are looking at. We can copy the link, we can cast it, etc., etc. The star is going to bookmark that page. This is your account, but then we've also got this button here with your account initial. If we click on this, then we've got this option of signing out, managing your Google account, or adding another account. We will look at this in the video opening multiple accounts in Google Chrome. Then we've got the three dots here. This is going to show you lots of different features. Now, depending on the settings of your domain, this is where you can have the downloads. You've got your bookmarks, so you can bookmark the tab from this point. But when you press that star, you've got the option to manage your bookmarks from this menu. You've also got your settings, so you can click on settings here, and that's going to open up your settings window so you can look at your settings for your Google account. You've also got more tools here, so taking a look at more tools, some of these will be available to you, some will not. Incognito window, if you want to do private browsing, once you close the window, nothing will be recorded. The final thing to point out is the zoom. You can zoom in and out. If you're finding the text on the screen is too small for you, then you can up the size. You can also make it a full screen. There are plenty of other things you can see in Google Chrome. Looking at the bottom here, you've got your settings, your terms and your privacy, some things to look out for, and the ability to go to the About and the Store within Google Chrome.